all the things I've done wrong, all the things I've done right, the opportunity that I keep missing. Okay, I don't keep missing it, but this week one second. I'm at the airport, guys. If you guys haven't realized it just yet, I'd hate to break it to you guys, but yet again, I lost on another opportunity to be trading. So, because no, I didn't just lose an opportunity. I already entered these positions. I was heavy short on these coins. So I have these like short to the downside coin lists. One second. And basically, I'll double check where it was, but I was basically shorting DOT, this coin called DOT, on my funded account. I have a funded account and I have two funded accounts and I have one demo account now. And I'm gonna get more demos accounts soon because I got a payout recently. But basically, I was heavy short on this coin and it was doing really well. And it was the weekend, I'm pretty sure. So it was around about Saturday, Sunday-ish. I saw this big pump to the upside and it hit resistance. I knew, I just knew that it was time to be shorting this thing. And I think I had my stop loss right above. I had stop loss. I had my stop loss right about that area. But then I have this rule where I don't trade weekends, and I basically broke that rule. So I decided to close the trade for quite a little bit of a loss. But then it did go and take out my stop loss, so I didn't lose as much money as I could have. But look at that. On Monday, this is Monday, by the way, guys. And this does not apply to just this one cryptocurrency called DOT. There was all sorts of cryptocurrency that I was planning to short, but I didn't manage to get it because I closed a lot of those positions early on because I just thought I broke my rules. So I'm like, all right, you know what? It's time to just close all these trades and trade on Monday. But the move already happened, so I'm like, what do I do now? So I guess I'm not gonna impulsively try and enter a trade. I'm just gonna be patient and wait for another entry to come. Like for example, this was one resistance zone that I was really ready to just short everything on, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all of that. But then I realized, yeah, it was Saturday, so I couldn't be trading. It was against my rules because probability wise, it's not so good for me to be trading my strategy on the weekends. So I ended up closing a lot of the positions on two of my live accounts and one of my demo accounts. The one that suffered the most was my demo account, honestly. Yeah, I opened a few short positions that didn't even get triggered, honestly. Um, but if we check this account, holy crap, okay, there's too many open. Like look at that. 200, 100, 100, 45. So not so good on the account, honestly. But regardless, we're gonna make it back, so it's okay. If we do a quick maths of all the money I've lost from the live accounts, I'm going to give you a quick review of last week. Trade history, no, last week. 133. Okay, actually, I've made a profit last week. I don't know how, but I could have definitely made a lot more. $133. And then now on this account. So we ended off the week last week with 348 and 14 cents in profit, but honestly, could have done better. But honestly, also, I think I didn't do too bad. So, yeah, honestly, I did pretty good. I can't wait to trade this week. I'm going to Phuket, Thailand, guys. Going to Phuket. We're gonna be going to the Krabi Islands. We're gonna basically be exploring the Krabi Islands for 2 days and in Phuket for 3 days. So I'm looking forward, ladies and gents. I'm looking forward to all the beautiful views that I'm ready to see because I just came from Jakarta. Jakarta is the most populated city in the world. It has 30 million people and it's filled with pollution and just freaking high buildings and all that. So this is gonna be such an amazing refreshment. And yeah, I'm looking forward. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Week 10, guys. Week 10. We're going for week 100 and hopefully the profits are just gonna keep going up from this point. So stay tuned, subscribe. I love you. Add something. What's up, guys? Sorry, I actually forgot to add something, honestly. Turns out, guys, at the very beginning of the week, I actually did short some of the coins, and I actually managed to make some profits off it. So, for example, AVAX, I shorted it around these areas right here, and I actually made some profits, some good amounts also. So that's actually how I managed to not get into a loss. The beginning of the week, I did pretty good. At the end of the week, I didn't do good. So I'm pretty sure I traded on AVAX. I traded some Bitcoin also. Closed at 66,750. Some another Bitcoin. Yeah. Well, that's basic 6,750. I'm pretty sure I closed it around these areas right here. And reason for is basically a pump towards resistance and a drop to the downside. So that's when I decided to close my positions when I saw that there might be a potential reversal. So I decided to hold on. I mean, no, close the shorts, and that's all. Peace, guys. Love you guys.